I had been experiencing some problems when I let the air ride up and down. It'll go up partially, and then it'll come down and kind of get stuck, and then it would go down like really slow. So come to find out, like I say, been doing a little maintenance around here and seeing just basically they are putting in some speakers. It's been about 2 years since I have some speakers in here. Yeah, JLC2s in here, 6x9s, and we'll see how those pop off here in a minute. And just looking over overall, and that was the problem. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the air rod hose, which is here, was kinked. Instead of it looping over the top like that, it was going under and binding itself. So it went under here and it bonded itself and it couldn't curve back. So like I said before, I'm assuming that when I got my tire changed, I got a new tire put on here a while back. So it's been happening for a good six months or so. And I'm assuming when he took it off, it probably came down when the suspension dropped down, and he didn't bother to put it back. So that was the problem. So now going forward, I know if something's wrong with the suspension. I thought maybe I had looked at it and it was fine, but apparently not. So I've resolved that, and hopefully that'll be the problem with that. But now it goes up and down pretty smooth. Going up. And the best part about it, when you get where you're going, let it down and it collapses. Just like that. Well, we finished for the day. So we replaced the 6x9s with the JLC2s, 6x9s, and we fixed the air rod today. And there she go.